today we're going to be discussing the adulteration in some of the milk products as well as normal fats and oils and these kind of items. So let's begin with khoya products. So in khoya products, the adulterant is starch. To test the presence of starch, you need to boil a small quantity of sample with some water, then cool and add a few drops of iodine solution. If there's a formation of blue color, that means it indicates the presence of starch. Then we have chana or paneer. So common adulterant found here is starch, and same test goes here also. Boil a small quantity of sample with some water, then cool and add a few drops of iodine solution. Formation of blue color indicates the presence of starch. The next is desi ghee. The adulterant found in desi ghee is vanaspati or margarine. So for that, take about 1 teaspoonful of melted sample of ghee with equal quantity of concentrated HCl in a stopper test tube and add a pinch of sugar. Shake for 1 minute and leave it for 5 minutes. Appearance of crimson color in lower acid of vanaspati or margarine. Then the next adulterant is mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes and other starches. The presence of mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes in a sample of butter can easily be detected by adding a few drops of iodine, which is brownish in color, turns to blue if mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes or other starches are present. Then again there's also an adulterant added alkali here. So to detect it, take 10 ml of melted sample and transfer it to a separator. Add 20 ml of hot distilled water and mix well. To aqueous layer, add drops of phenolphthalein. Pink color is formed, which indicates added alkali. Then added colors, these are also common adulterants. So to detect these, you need to dissolve the fat in ether. Take 2 separate aliquots. To one, add 1 to 2 ml of dilute HCl, and to the other 1 to 2 ml of 10% sodium hydroxide solution. Azo dye present turns acid solution to red, and natto or vegetable color turns alkaline tubes to yellow color. The next is butter. So very common adulterant which is found in butter is vanaspati or margarine. So for that, take about 1 teaspoonful of melted sample of ghee with equal quantity of concentrated HCl in a stopper test tube and add to it a pinch of sugar. Shake for 1 minute and let it set for 5 minutes. Appearance of crimson color in lower acid of lower acid of vanaspati or margarine. Then again, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes and other starches. These are like another adulterant which is found in butter. So for that, the presence of mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes in a sample of butter can easily be detected by adding a few drops of iodine, which is brownish in color, turns to blue if mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes or other starches are present. So same test goes here also. Then oils and fats. A very common adulterant which is found in oils and fats is argemone oil. So how to test it? Take small quantity of oil in a test tube, add equal quantity of concentrated nitric acids and shake carefully. Red to reddish brown color in lower acid layer would indicate the presence of argemone oil. Then basin. Kesari flour is an adulterant which is found in basin. To detect it, add 50 ml of dilute HCl to 10 gram of sample and keep on simmering water for like 15 minutes. The pink color, if developed, it indicates the presence of kesari flour. Okay, so we are done with all the adulterants, and you can also mention like common adulterants which are found in these